I'm about to show you how to do this, son. On the mic or in the bed, I could use this too, yeah. I stroke the middle, mean, but her ass bowed. I be in and out like the fiends at my trap house, yeah. You throw it back, but can you handle it? I'm on the Henny cold, choking off the cannabis. You on fire, baby girl, like a candle lit. And I'm so hot, they probably need a man for this, yeah. You throw it back, I'ma catch it and score. The next day, you'll be aching and sore, but you still want it on the bed, shaking for more. Player haters see us together, they hating us more, but fuck them. Give me the rock, I'm going straight to the ball. You should hop up on my wheels, baby, skate with a ball, yeah. Baby girl, have some fun, we getting live tonight. We bout to party like it's Friday night, yeah.
Show him just what you're working with. Let him know that he really can't handle it. Back it up, run it round and shake with it. And just make sure that you put it on him. Show him just what you're working with. Try to low, bring it up, then work it here. Grind some, turn around, make him lick his lips. Just make sure that you put